Alright, so in this quick video, I'll be showing you the easiest way to take down a commander chopper in Season 4 of DMZ. Essentially, what you want to do is find your way to a SAM site and start capturing it as soon as you see that the commander helicopter enters the map. On larger maps like Al-Mazrah, you may not be able to tag the helicopter and pull it towards you, but instead, on smaller maps like Vondel, Ashika Island, etc., or even if you're lucky on the Al-Mazrah map, you'll be able to activate a SAM site and tag the commander chopper to bring it towards you. Now, essentially what you'll do is you'll use the SAM site for cover. The hitbox takes up a huge region above the actual SAM site itself and is completely bulletproof, which is actually really different to how houses and things like that work. The commander's bullets just go straight through walls and things like that and can really mess you up even if you're taking cover inside of a building. Now, previously I showed you a glitched way of basically getting these kills very easily by hiding behind a window that's been barred up and shooting through it. Well, not barred up, but has a grate on it. That used to work in the previous season, but now this is probably by far the easiest way, assuming you don't get swarmed by AI around you. Clear out the area, capture a SAM site, kill all of the reinforcements that come in for you, and then tag the commander helicopter to pull it closer towards you. Simply using the SAM site for cover, running around it in practically circles, you'll be able to take almost no damage and take down the copter completely. Now, of course, a lot of these shots from the SAM site will miss if it's incredibly close to it, but they do seem to do some damage even though they visually head off far into the distance. Now, also, if you happen to make a direct shot with the first shot, whenever, it basically goes down in one go. That's it. It's really, really simple and really fast, and actually really good to do, as you don't even need to use more than maybe a single bullet to try and bring it towards you. Anyways, that's about it for this super quick guide. Hopefully you found this useful. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.